To John Green, Merry Christmas, Liam. Right, Christmas card's done. Christmas t-shirt on. Let's make some Christmas food, and we are going to do a Christmas sausage roll. It's going to be amazing. This is a Christmas movie, by the way. It's going to be amazing. It's going to have turkey instead of pork, and it's going to have loads of other Christmassy stuff inside it. It's going to be great. In fact, you'll be able to cook it quicker than you could say, "That's a very nice suit, Mr. Takagi. It would be a shame to ruin it." So, it'd be great if you could subscribe, and because it's Christmas, Merry Christmas, Joyeux Noël, feliz navidad, frohe weihnachten, and Veselé Vánoce. Okay, we're going to start off and we're going to cook our turkey mince. Okay, that's looking pretty good. We're going to put it to one side in a bowl and just let it cool down. Okay, now we're going to get some brioche. Yeah, brioche, we're getting a little bit fancy here. And we're just going to take the crust off this, and then we are going to soak it in a little bit of water and then drain the water out and then add it to the turkey. And you can start off by trying to use a wooden spoon, but to be honest, it's probably best to start using your hands and fingers and really get in there and work a bit. Okay, and the next thing we're going to do is we're going to chop up our green spring onions, and then we're going to put them in the bowl and mix that all together as the next phase. Chop them up real fine. And yeah, I find it easier again just to use your hands and mix that all together. Okay, very exciting stuff. I have got a wonderful French camembert. I'm going to chop this up. I'm going to use about half of this, and that's 125 grams. I'm going to chop it up real fine and pop that into the mixture again. What is your favorite Christmas movie? Is it Die Hard? Is it Home Alone? Is it Trading Places? Or is it Scrooge or Muppet Christmas Carol? As you start mixing this in with the turkey, if there's still a little bit of warmth in the turkey, it actually does a really good job of melting the camembert, which means you get a really good even spread of cheesy taste throughout. Okay, so we're about to add, this is our last ingredient, is the cranberry sauce. It's going to give it a nice little sweet taste to it. I'm going to add initially a couple of tablespoons, but you might want to add more. Also, when you're adding the cranberry sauce, I like to be a little bit careful when I stir it up, because you don't want the mixture looking pink, but you do want to make sure you've got a good spread of cranberry sauce. So just do this bit a little bit careful. The sausage rolls are going to have an egg glaze on them when we get to that stage. Okay, it is sausage roll assembly time. I'm just using some bought ready roll puff pastry for this. And we're going to use a little bit of the egg wash just to help seal up the sausage roll. Okay, so we're going to chop up our sausage rolls into sizes about 2 inches in width, and then we are going to give it an egg wash, which will make it all lovely and brown when it goes into the oven. And I'm going to put a bit of cracked pepper on there, which will give it a little bit of zing. So what we want to do is we put this in the oven for about 10 minutes on about 190. And the good thing about this is that we just have to wait until the pastry is cooked, because the turkey mince is already cooked. Pop them on a plate, serve up, and you have got some amazing turkey sausage rolls.